Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by measuring 2 tablespoons of whole flaxseed and 1 cup of rice. This ratio yields enough gel and water for 1 application. Grind the flaxseed coarsely so it releases mucilage. This is what forms the gel. Rinse the rice until water clears, then soak for 30 minutes to release nutrients into the water. While those steep, set out a saucepan, fine strainer, blender, a glass jar for storage, and a towel to protect clothing. Once the flaxseed has been ground, simmer it in 1 cup of water for 8 to 10 minutes while stirring. This extracts the gel, so watch for thickening. Strain the gel through a fine sieve and let it cool. Meanwhile, pour the soaked rice water into a clean jar and leave it at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours to ferment slightly. Fermentation increases bioavailability of vitamins. Then mix half a cup of rice water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax gel until you have a smooth spread. You'll apply the blend by sectioning hair and working the mixture into your scalp and along the strands. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation and product penetration. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo only if residue bothers you. Repeat this treatment 1 to 2 times per week. If you notice a very sour or rotten smell, stop using that batch immediately. Discard and make a fresh batch to avoid irritation or infection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.